Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the trending effect on TikTok called How Old You Look. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. This effect called How Old You Look basically guesses your age by scanning your face. As you can see, these are some of the videos which are created by that effect. Now let me show you how you can get this effect. So you need to first open up your TikTok app. Now you want to tap on search and you want to search for how old you look. So it should appear in the search results, how old you look. However, as you can see, it doesn't appear for me. So the other way of getting this effect is by going back to your normal TikTok view. Now tap on the plus sign here. Now you want to tap on effects here, the bottom left. Now you want to search for how old you look. In the search results, you're looking for that effect, how old you look. It'll be a blue icon. So keep scrolling until you see a blue icon here. So this is how it looks, how old you look. Go ahead and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll see this mask on your face. Tap on the screen here to use it. Now go ahead and record your video. And now TikTok will do its magic and will guess your age. Now go ahead and post that video to TikTok. And that is how to use a trending effect on TikTok called How Old You Look. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.